For this last example, we have a mixed number divided by a fraction, so we need to turn this mixed number into an improper fraction. So we're going to ignore the negative sign right now. We're going to take 4 times 10 to give us 40, plus 3 more will give us 43. So 43 out of 10, make that a negative. Now we're dividing that by negative 3/5. So we keep the first fraction the same, which we actually did change it a little bit because we turned it to an improper fraction. All right, but we're not going to do anything with flipping it around or changing a sign or anything like that. So it's going to stay as negative 43 over 10. We're going to change from division to multiplication, and then we're going to flip the second fraction around. So instead of being 3 on top, 5 on bottom, it's going to be 5 on top, 3 on bottom. Now we have a negative times a negative, which is going to give us a positive. So we don't need to worry about those signs anymore. Our answer is going to be positive. Now we look to see, can we cross reduce at all? All right, so 43 over 10, 5 over 3. Neither of those reduce on their own, but 5 over 10. Okay, 5 and 10 both are divisible by 5. So 5 divided by 5 would give us 1. And 10 divided by 5 is going to give us 2. All right, 43 and 3. 3 goes into 4 one time, remainder 1. 3 doesn't go into 13, so those don't reduce at all. So now we just multiply what we have left. So 43 times 1 is going to give us 43, and 2 times 3 is going to give us 6. Now you can leave your answer, and I would suggest that you do as this improper fraction, or if you want to turn it into a mixed number, 6 goes into 43 7 times without going over. 7 times 6 is 42. 42 is 1 away from 43. So 7 and 1/6 would be the mixed number that's equivalent to this improper fraction. Now, homework 2 is on Alex. You can find that when you log into your name. You can find that up here in the upper left-hand corner. You can either click on, some call it a hamburger, some call it on the pancake stacks, not snacks. Click on that, and then you go to assignments. If you click on assignments, then it's going to pop up with your entire list of assignments that you have. All right, so right now mine is only showing homework 1, but once you look at this video, homework 2 will be assigned and homework 2 will be there for you. Now, something to note is that you cannot have more than one homework assignment open at the same time. So if you were in the middle of homework 1, but you want to get started with homework 2, you need to go into homework 1. And when you are in homework 1, you then need to click down here, submit assignment. It's okay if you're not finished with it because you get unlimited attempts on these homework assignments. So just click submit assignment. And then once it's been submitted, then you can click on any of the other assignments that are in your assignment list. I would suggest that you have a work page showing work for your homework number 2. I would also suggest that you try to do this assignment without using a calculator. Good luck.